Hi, it's Danny. Thank you for checking out video 4 in this little neck series, short videos about the neck. We've covered chin up, chin down. We've covered left to right. You might prefer to do those first because this next one is more difficult to grasp, to connect with. Call this the neck drag. It's basically ear to shoulder, lateral flexion. So feel free to join in and try this one. It's just more natural if you can create a bit of a wave, like seaweed moving. The bottom of the seaweed's going one way and the top's going the other. Reeds under the water. It can be a little frustrating. You could always use a mirror to try and get this. But to relax your spine, to relax your neck, to improve lateral flexion, part of neck function, you get this nice drag. A moving stretch. Easy, easy. All right, bring that back into center. Okay, short video, but part of a little mini series about neck function, alignment, and movement. Thanks for watching.